Hello and welcome back to my channel for a pony haul. These are all boxes from eBay and Etsy and Mercari. And the first package was Posy. I know you didn't come to see me struggle with packages, but you're gonna get it. We have a G3 that kind of snuck in on this one. I think it's a G3. And then we have Medley. Along with Firefly, she's one of our original Pegasus ponies. Oh, here's our first baby. It's baby Sweet Stuff with a little tooth. And then we have Applejack. I really want to get the Stranger Things Applejack. She's from the Upside Down. This Applejack looks really good, though. Oh, who's hiding in there? Oh, it's Blossom! I can't wait to see who comes next. Oh, these were only available by mail order. That is a birth flower pony. It's Mistletoe for December. They have alternate versions of those too, and they're super expensive. Oh, next up, I believe it's Cherry's Jubilee. The struggle is real. It's my frustration, nation. It's a box. Oh my gosh. Who is it? Oh, it's Lemon Drop. She doesn't have a tail, but we'll fix that. She came in a play set. I'm not sure which one though. Box. I told you were going to get me struggling today. I drive the struggle bus for Uber in the Frustration Nation. That's how I get around. Okay, this was a surprise. This is Cotton Candy, but I didn't realize it when I bought her. She's a flatfoot. I suppose the flatfoot are rarer. I believe they're like the earlier runs of them. So, who knew? Oh, we have another baby in there. Is it? Oh, it is. It's baby North Star, I believe. There she is, baby North Star. With her little tooth. Come on with the boxes, Jimmer. Gotta be better than the box, gotta be smarter than the box. Who's in there? Aha! She's looking rough, but you still call her Majesty. That's who she is, Majesty. don't think I paid $15 for her, though, like the tag says. She's a little rough for that. She was in a playset as well. So this was a box, and it was wrapped too. A couple of them were, I think. It's the anticipation. Who is it? Oh. It's Sky Dancer. When I'm recording this, I've already restored Sky Dancer. I'm kind of a simp for the rainbow ponies. I love them. I've done Parasol. I've done Sky Dancer. Who do we have here? Oh, it's Sundance, I believe. Sundance. Oh, and Baby Firefly. Love her. And who else do we have here? Oh, it's another Cotton Candy. This is your more common version of her. They don't look very similar at all, actually. Oh, here's another wrapped box. It's like Christmas, but it's not Christmas. That's okay. Here's a gift for myself. Collectors understand. We get each other, right? When I was a kid, I didn't have very many, but I did have a few My Little Ponies. Firefly was my favorite. I'm just so happy to have Baby Firefly and a regular Firefly. Oh, who's this? Starshine. Oh, she's looking rough. If I can get her back looking good, I'm gonna be so happy. Note to self, open the boxes before you film. Okay, we have a unicorn. I believe it's powder. I assume because it's snowflakes, like powdery snow. She's pretty. Mauve. Next up, we have Gusty. Another rainbow pony. The rainbow hair and the glittery cutie marks. That's my weakness. And then we have one last one. Maybe save the best for last. Maybe that's what I did. Maybe that's what we have here. It's Merry Treat. She's our Christmas pony. I may have to put some glitter on that Santa Claus. Is it wrong to do that? I don't know. I think he would look awesome with it. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, guys. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.